Introducing the 2024 Heartland Corterra 3.0. Underneath that sleek exterior are aluminum-framed Azdel composite sidewalls, 7,000-pound Dexter axles, and American-made Goodyear tires with TPMS. Step into luxury with the 𝘭𝘪𝘬𝘮 solid step, complemented by an extended grab handle and a residential glass entry door. The residential appliance package features a 22-inch air fryer oven, a 30-inch microwave, and a 16.3 cubic foot refrigerator. The bedroom features a residential king-size bed and spacious his or hers closets with 12 drawers and a hamper. Stay powered up with a 30-amp solar controller and a 190-watt panel with the option to add more panels and an inverter for all your energy needs. Experience the 2024 Heartland Corterra 3.0 at a Great American RV Superstore near you or at 𝘭𝘪𝘵𝘭𝘦.com.